Hello everyone. In this tutorial on PMN Online, we will learn how to remove collaborators from Google Drive. If you're managing a project or simply reorganizing your shared files, there might come a time when you need to revoke someone's access to a document or folder. Whether it's for security reasons or simply to keep things tidy and organized, knowing how to remove collaborators is essential. The process is pretty straightforward, and today, I'm here to guide you through it step by step. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident managing access to your Google Drive files. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to your Google Drive. This is the central hub where all your Google documents, spreadsheets, slides, and more are stored. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Google Drive homepage. Ensure that you are logged into the correct Google account that has the necessary permissions to manage the files you want to edit. This is crucial because if you're logged into a different account, you won't be able to make the needed changes. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage and logged in correctly, you're ready to move on to the next step. From the Google Drive interface, you need to locate the specific file or folder from which you want to remove a collaborator. This could be a document, a spreadsheet, or any other type of file you've shared with others. If you're dealing with a long list of files, you can use the search bar at the top of the page to find the specific file quickly. Simply type in the file name, and it should appear in the search results. After you've found the file, just click on it to select it. You'll notice it gets highlighted, indicating that it's the chosen file you're working with. Now, with your file selected, look towards the top of your screen for the Share button. This button is key to managing access. Clicking it will open a window displaying everyone who currently has access to your file. In this window, you'll see a list of all collaborators, along with their permission levels, such as viewer, commenter, or editor. It's in this space that you can manage how people interact with your document or folder. Your next task is to identify the particular collaborator you want to remove. They will be listed with their access role next to their name. Once you've found the person whose access you wish to revoke, click on the drop-down menu beside their current permission level, which might be labeled as editor or another role. This will bring up a small menu with various options. Look through these options until you find the one that says Remove Access. Click on Remove Access, and a confirmation prompt will appear. This prompt is there to ensure you really intend to remove this person's access. Confirm your choice, and just like that, the person will no longer have access to view, edit, or interact with your file. It's always a good practice to double-check your list of collaborators after making changes. This ensures that only the intended people can access your work moving forward, maintaining the security and organization of your digital workspace. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a collaborator from your Google Drive file. Keep in mind that this process isn't limited to individual files. It can also be applied to any folder you have shared. This helps you maintain an organized and secure digital environment. That's it for this tutorial on how to remove collaborators from Google Drive. If you found it useful, hit subscribe and stay tuned for more helpful videos.